guys, it's Miss Buitenbeentje. It is me May make, and I never did this before, but I'm up to the point that I have sufficient clothes or in order to mix and match. And so these coming weeks you're going to be seeing what I'm wearing for an entire week, being things that I made or in combination with things that I bought. First one, so this is going to be like a try on haul of things that I made, and we're just going to start off with this ensemble right here. This dress I made 3 years ago. It is by Knipmode. It is a Janis dress, and it's just like there is no better way to start off me make, I feel. So okay, I have been warned, but don't try this at home. Okay, so this is the length of my dress. It's up to my knee. Ta-da! So now I'll be showing you what I put together for the coming week, and let's just get into it. Outfit number 2. So what we're doing right here is we're combining something that I bought with something that I made. The outfit is inspired by this picture right there. The skirt is a Knipmode skirt. I have it for, I'll put the year that I made this skirt in the screen somewhere because I don't remember all, but it was a hack. And I decided to style it with my Van Haren sandals that I bought last year. So outfit number number 3, you guys. This was a fall dress. It is a fall dress, a dress that I made a few years back. The year is going to be in there somewhere, and as you see, most of my clothes did held up. This is one that I made a little more in the beginning of my sewing career, and so like I said, you know, life isn't perfect, so my clothes aren't either, but I truly like the color of this dress. I like the fit, and definitely, I don't know, I just love how I feel in this dress. So outfit number 3. Woohoo! Outfit number 4 is outfit number 4, you guys. We have 2 that I made myself and 1 that I bought. So we're going to start with the Quince. This is my kimono. I decided to do something different on the sleeves, but it was a little much. But I decided not to change it. This is what I made, and that's it. And so underneath, oh, I love that effect. Underneath I have a white mango shirt. I don't have the right bra color under it, but oh well. And my high waist Naaitrends jeans. This one I made for my fall fashion mood board 2019, and I mean, if you guys remember, I styled my kimono with a completely black outfit the last time I wore it, and now you can see that I'm diversifying and just trying something new. Oh, I love this outfit so much. I mean, I'm doing this for the purpose of this video, but also I'm going to be rocking this throughout this week some days. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, next outfit.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that.
Kind of look like a schoolgirl, but oh well. I would definitely put on a white tee, but because it's dirty and it's in the wash, we're going to just rock with this mango shirt for the moment. And this is Danny. You guys remember Danny? Danny was introduced to you not so long ago. It is by Seamwork, and I am still in love with Danny, but Yes, I'm excited about this one as well. Oh, cutesy. Ta-da. Yes. Okay, you guys, so we're at the end of this video. I showed you guys a week of what I'm going to be rocking for my Me Make May, and I'm going to pop in pictures every day on my Insta stories. How you call it? On the chart. But I'm going to pop in pictures on my Instagram every day for the month of May. And if you guys enjoy this, just let me know. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye!